Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Selection sort logic can be flipped for descending order. We will analyze loop controls and comparison logic to find the right answer. Look at the code structure carefully. Lines 1 and 2 are loop headers that control how many times we iterate through the list and which elements we are currently comparing together. Line 3 is the actual comparison where the code decides if a swap is needed. To reverse the sort order, we only need to change the comparison logic in that specific line. Changing loop bounds in lines 1 and 2 breaks the algorithm. Only line 3 needs an operator swap to achieve a descending sort. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully, trust the given code, and check steps for logic errors.